On a real tenant, your customers, vendors, sponsors, and staff already exist, so you flag them by editing the record. On one with no flag yet, turning a toggle on is allowed after a confirmation. From the CRM menu, we open Customers and edit an existing one. This customer is neither a donor nor a beneficiary. We turn on Beneficiary. ZetaFisc asks us to confirm, and then allows it. Saved. That customer is now a beneficiary. But once a record has transactions, its role is locked. Here is a donor, Dangote Foundation. First, we record a cash gift from it. Now the donor has a recorded gift. We edit that same customer and try to also make it a beneficiary. ZetaFisc rejects it. The customer has donations recorded, so it stays a donor and can never also be a beneficiary. The rule holds both ways, and a used role is permanent.